You ready out there, Joe? Trying to wait on Marquise to come in. Don't forget, Friday right on the Taj Mahal, y'all. Ladies, y'all get it free around there too all night. Then $10 for all you fellas. That's all night on Friday. Saturday we going out of town, going down North Carolina, y'all. So if you're trying to go, you can get with Bocelli or you can meet us up at the old studio. I'll let you know during the week what we're going to do this Sunday. Right back around here. get some sweat in, you know what I mean? Is that you out there, Triple O? What y'all gonna do, man? Don't be trying, don't be out there bullshit, man. Yeah, hold on, we go. Yeah, they on the video, you do what baby. Francis, yeah. You getting out there 1-5? And watch how fast I put these things on your bitch, man. Lord, I tell you, y'all driving tonight, fellas. Y'all so driving in the back tonight from Gus and S&D. You so driving tonight, I don't know why, but you so driving tonight, dog. You so driving tonight, dog. Driving! Each and every Sunday right here, face. You ain't been in a while, you gotta give me love, man. You standing around like a crash dummy or something. Let me know, man, you looking like a crash dummy, you know what I mean? It's the number one, it's the number one, it's the number one, the motherfucking, yeah. It's the number one, the goddamn, come on. It's the number one, the motherfucking, yeah. It's the number one, it's the number one, the motherfucking, jumpster. It's the number one, the goddamn, jumpster. It's the number one, the motherfucking, jumpster. It's the number one, we're the number one. love you, baby. Ride the monkey pole, 'cause I love you, baby. Ride the monkey pole, I love you, baby. Ride the monkey pole, 'cause I love you, baby. Ride the monkey pole, 'cause I love you, baby. Ride the monkey pole. Come on, frequency. With 2 minutes, you better hurry, go get up. That you get your feet on drum, you better be at work. Get up. Wait on and love you, baby.